Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're answering a question that a lot of people still ask. Can you share YouTube TV in different houses in 2025? Whether you're thinking of splitting your subscription with family or friends, or just want to know how YouTube TV handles multiple locations, this guide will give you the full answer with the latest 2025 update. So stick around. You might be surprised by what's changed. First is open your YouTube TV in your browser. Scroll down to the bottom until you see your account, click it. Next is click Can I share my membership, and the answer is yes. Your YouTube TV membership comes with 6 accounts to share with roommates or family members in your household. Ages 13 and up. Everyone gets their own login, personalized recommendations, and individual DVR library. Your membership includes up to 3 simultaneous streams. For an additional monthly charge, our 4K plus add-on unlocks unlimited streams at home, so you can watch YouTube TV on as many compatible screens as you want. And that's everything you need to know about sharing YouTube TV in different houses. 2025 update. I hope this video helped clear up how location sharing and account limits work. If you found it helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more streaming tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.